Hey, have you ever reduced logical volumes in Linux using LVM on CentOS 9?
Yes, I have. It's a crucial task to ensure that we don't lose any data.
Definitely. What are the essential steps to reduce logical volumes without data loss?
The first step is always to start with a backup. Then, unmount the file system before diving into the reduction process.
What's the next step?
Check the file system after unmounting to identify any potential issues. Execute e2fsckf/dev/vg_techment_extra/techment_deuce_test to scan for errors.
How do we reduce the file system size?
Execute resize 2fs/dev/vg_techment_extra/techment_deuce_test 10g to shrink it down to our desired size of 10 GB.
What about reducing the logical volume size?
Use reduce L-8g/dev/vg_techment_extra/techment_deuce_test to cut down 8 GB from the current size.
What's the last step?
Double check everything. Execute resize 2fs/dev/vg_techment_extra/techment_deuce_test to ensure everything is error-free after the reduction.
Great. What's the final step?
Remount the file system using mount/dev/vg_techment_extra/techment_deuce_test/mnt/techment_deuce_test/. Let's also check the size of our logical volume using display vg_techment_extra.
Thanks for the overview. I now know the essential steps to reduce logical volumes in Linux using LVM on CentOS 9.
You're welcome. It's always good to know how to reduce logical volumes without data loss.